Hello everyone, I bring another video. For this market, we're going to use a simple strategy with the Stochastic Oscillator. Many of you know it, many of you have it right to me in the comments. You ask me to make another video with the Stochastic Oscillator. So let's do it, shall we? Let's try another time frame OTC market. We use 30-second time frame with classic candles, alright, just like that. Let's set up. It's for 1 minute expiration time. Stochastic Oscillator 1433 and EMA. Don't forget to change that. That's important. Okay. That's the style. 8 and 20 line. We're gonna start with $4. So just set this. And when I have the first operation right here, the first entry, I will explain this for you. And the first thing that you need to pay attention in this is 2 lines on the Stochastic Oscillator. Okay, so that is very important. I'm just entering when I got the pullback in the downside. Okay, you can see that right here. All right, so let's try it, although I didn't realize the payout 6%. Oh my gosh. For the sake of explanation, I have a candlestick partner. If you look at the M1 right now, if you just change this, you can see that it's higher one. Okay, but in 1 minute it's enough, and let's wait for that to see what turns out. All right, and look, this guy's at first trade position 1 on that, $640 of profits, and I had it here. It's pause indicators, no drop for this. Apart from the Stochastic Oscillator, we got a downtrend. Look at that. These 3 points. Okay. So what is this strategy with this Stochastics, guys? First position, we got this the end of the trend. If it's down and just hit the lowest point with that downtrend and start to go revert. All right, so you can see that. So upward position on this one, the OTC. That's a very strong downward, but again revert, guys. Okay, I can favor the trend. I could trade against this, but I have to be very patient, because I have to wait for the pivot point where the price really reacts in the direction. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, and look at that. This is going up. Okay. So it's not that it's going to turn around. No, you don't know that. And let's live with the confirmation from the candles. Okay, and look at that, 5 seconds remaining for this. We're gonna win with this one. We just have our second correction projection, guys. That is very good. $118 of profit. So let's find out for the last position. I have another one right here. Okay, just look for it. Wait for the high right moment, and when a downward went for this. Okay, the price is low down, rise again, and doesn't go any further. It falls again and rise again on this pair. What's the EGP? It already connects that rejection and then strong envelope. So I would have entered down if I had one, but as sometimes in OTC, I see the price sometimes moves very low, and one go in the next candle rises strongly. This market is very volatile, so this is the reason that you just need to be careful. Okay, Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Candles just 7 rise a little. And wait for it for a fall again. Look at that, man. 2 seconds. And boom, we got this again, guys. Look at this. $230 of profits. That's pretty good. It's just falling strongly. But I need to be sure because sometimes there are false moments so that you don't pass the position. There won't be a heart attack. Because sometimes it's better to wait for the pullback, confirmation, and then later in the continuation of the movements. Guys, I raised my counts from 43 to 230. It's good for me with this indicator. It's simple. Practice and tell the practice when you try the strategy. Just write this in the comments. Just think about it and let's go to try this together. All right? You stop trading, come back tomorrow with a win. Okay, stop trading, come back tomorrow. That's conservative by binary. All right? So see you guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye. See you.